Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Well, today's video is a very quick giveaway. We are going to be giving away these Blitzwolf AA-ER1s on our Instagram account. So go over to our Instagram account just now at Gogetyours Reviews, and in order for you guys to have the chance to get your hands on these Blitzwolf Airaux Bluetooth headphones, all you have to do is go over to our most recent post, which is indeed about our Blitzwolf headphones giveaway. Simply comment on that post with the following comment: #giveaway, followed by tagging any one of your friends. Now I will allow up to 2 tags of each one of your friends, and these will also count as 2 extra draws. This giveaway will run around 5 to 7 days, and we will announce the winner late next week by using the comment picker website and randomly selecting one lucky person that will receive these headphones. Now this giveaway is worldwide. It doesn't require you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is of your own doing if you do so, and we don't want to make it anyway part of an incentive to get you over to our channel. Unfortunately, anyone under the age of 16 will not be able to qualify for this giveaway, and when a winner is picked, it will be announced and you will have 48 hours in which to reply. If you don't reply within that time, then this giveaway will go back to the next person that will be chosen from that comment picker website. Everything is indeed random, and we don't want to include any such comments like, for example, please can I have these headphones, or I've not got much money, can I have these, I deserve these, I've commented before, etc. Listen guys, we don't want to include comments like this within our giveaways. Everything has to remain random, everyone has to follow the rules. This is simply nothing to do with getting anyone over to our YouTube channel, and we want to make it very clear from the beginning. We want to make it precise and make it fair for everyone. So yes, these Airaux AA-ER1s did come from our Lucky Box unboxing video. We did in fact test these headphones out previously, so we actually do have 2 sets of these AA-ER1s. These are the sealed versions, it's not been opened, and it will note that they did make it to our top 5 best budget headphones playlist. You can check that video out for yourself, but yep, one lucky person will be getting their hands on them. That's right, Bluetooth headphones with RGB lighting, with fantastic bass and good audio that will hopefully be coming your way. So yeah guys, get over to my Instagram account just now, but if you would like to subscribe to this channel, it's totally up to you. You can subscribe below this video, and please hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated upon our new uploads. I hope to see you all very soon on our next tech review coming this way within the next few days in fact, and thank you ever so much for watching. Good luck!